Joe, grab a drink. Let's talk about money's greatest hits, the bad ones. You know how every few years, the economy does this faceplant? 2008, dot-com crash, inflação negócios mares. Turns out we keep stepping on the same damn rakes. Here's the wild part. These crashes aren't accidents. They're reruns. Same script, fancier suits. Let me break down the 5 financial horror movies that always get a sequel. Number 1. The debt grenade 2008 housing crash. Remember when banks turned mortgages into a game of Jenga? Bundled risky loans into sold them as safe investments in a poof. The lesson? When debt grows faster than actual value, the tower always falls. Sound familiar? Cough student loans cough. Number 2. The hype train wreck.com bubble. Late 90s, every.com was the next Amazon. Pets.com raised $300M, then vanished. The lesson? Potential is not equal to profits. When memes replace math, brace for impact. Looking at you, Crypto Brothers. 3. The silent thief, 1970s stagflation. Oil prices quadrupled into inflation, spiked into economy froze. People called it stagflation, aka economic purgatory. The lesson? When basics, food, energy, get expensive, everyone bleeds. Hint, sound like 2022? Number 4. The Too Good Trap, Japan's lost decade. 1980s Japan. Land in Tokyo worth more than California. Then pop. 15 years of stagnation. The lesson? This time it's different. Are the 4 deadliest words in finance. Number 5. The Trust Fall, Great Depression. 1929. Everyone borrowed to buy stocks in a market, crashed into banks, folded into breadlines. The lesson? When trust dies, money stops moving. Period. Why we never learn. Greed whispers, just one more hand. FOMO screams, jump in now. Amnesia hits, nah. This bubble's special. Your survival kit. Debt equals dynamite. Handle with care. Hype equals noise. Ignore it. Basics, luxuries. Always. Different equals dangerous. Assume history's judging you. Trust equals oxygen. Protect yours. If this felt like a wake-up call, do me a solid. Smash subscribe. Every week, we decode money's dirty secrets. No jargon, just real talk. Want to help us sound the alarm? Join the crew on Patreon, link below. You'll get uncut deep dives plus crisis-proofing tools. Seriously, every coffee you buy funds free content for people sleeping on financial landmines. Legit, thank you. You're not just supporting a channel, you're arming a generation. Remember, the next crash isn't an if, it's a when. But you'll see it coming. Stay sharp. I got your back. Catch you next week.